Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I'll discuss about Rayleigh's and LMVT, that is Rayleigh's theorem and Lagrange mean value theorem. So let's concentrate on Rayleigh's first. In case of Rayleigh's theorem, the function must be continuous in the domain close bracket a comma b, must be differentiable in open bracket a comma b. Then it is very clear that the two extreme values are a and b. X equal to a and x equal to b are the two extreme values. Then fa and fb, that is the ordinates at a and the ordinates at b must be equal, that is fa equal to fb. See, in these cases also fa equal to fb. The ordinate at point a and the ordinate at the point b must be equal. The extreme ordinates must be equal, and there must be a point on the curve. Suppose at x equal to c, there will be, if I draw a tangent at x equal to c, the tangent must be parallel to x axis, that is at x equal to c, the slope of the tangent must be 0. Then it is very clear, if I find the value of c, then it must be between a and b. So what are the conditions? The conditions are the function must be continuous in close bracket a comma b, must be differentiable in first bracket a comma b, the extreme ordinates at the extreme points of its domain must be equal, and at any point that I have to find it. Suppose x equal to c, if I draw a tangent on the curve, it must be parallel to x axis. So first let's take a sum on Rayleigh's theorem. See, fx equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, and the domain is given, that is close bracket 1 comma 3. So as because this is a polynomial, in your syllabus you will get only polynomial sums. The polynomials are continuous on any real number set and differentiable in its domain at any values in the domain. So I have written continuous in third bracket, that is close interval 1 comma 3, and open interval differentiable in the open interval 1 comma 3. So first we check the extreme at the extreme points. Let's first just check the values of ordinates. At x equal to 1, that is f1 equal to 0. At x equal to 3, f3 equal to 0, that is fa equal to fb. The conditions, this condition checked, this condition checked, and it is also checked. Now I will differentiate. X square will be 2x, 4x will be 4. Let's consider a point c in the domain a comma b. Then f dash c equal to 2c minus 4. What I said, that the tangent must be parallel to x axis, so its derivative is equal to 0. Then c equal to 2. So it is clear that 2 is in the interval 1 comma 3. So the next condition, f dash c equal to 0, where c is less than b greater than a. This is also checked. So Rayleigh's theorem verified. Alright, so first I have to check whether the function is continuous and differentiable in its domain or not. Then I have to check the ordinate values at the extreme points in its domain. If they are equal, then I have to differentiate the function. Then put any point, suppose c, then f dash c equal to 0, as because the tangent is parallel to x axis, and I have to find out c. C must be in the domain between a comma b. Next check LMVT, Lagrange mean value theorem. See, in this curve you see that fa and fb are not equal. Alright, fa and fb are not equal. It is a very vital condition. fa and fb are not equal. Alright, see, as because fa and fb are not equal, then it is very clear that the curve must be like this, or like this or like this. Alright, FA and FB. It is not necessary that FB must be greater than FA. The curve may be decreasing also. Alright, so FA not equal to FB. It is very clear. Then there must be a point C in the domain A comma B that the slope of the tangent, if I draw a tangent at x equal to C, then the tangent must be parallel to the line joining FA and FB. Alright, the line must be parallel to the line joining FA and FB. So suppose if I join FA and FB, these are the points, suppose P and Q. If I want to find out the slope of the line PQ, what is the formula you have learned in class 11? That is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is FB minus FA by B minus A. This slope must be equal to the tangent, to the slope of the tangent drawn at C. So that is why, what is the slope of the tangent at C? I have to differentiate, that is f dash x, and put x equal to C. F dash C is the slope of the tangent, you know that. Then it must be equal, this slope must be equal to the slope of PQ. So that's why f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. That these two slopes are equal. Suppose you have given a sum to verify a problem fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 in the domain 4, 6. First you have to, this is a polynomial, so this must be continuous in 4, 6 and differentiable in the open interval 4, 6. Then I have to check the extreme values. I have to check the ordinates at the extreme values. FA and F6 are the two ordinates at the extreme points. These two are not equal. One value is 27 and another value is 51. So FA not equal to FB. That is checked. Now I have to differentiate x square plus 2x plus 3, that is 2x plus 2. Now I have put the value at x equal to C. 2C plus 2 is the slope at x equal to C. The formula is f dash C equal to FB minus FA by B minus A. FB minus FA by B minus A. 51 minus 27 by 6 minus 4. That is 12. 12 minus 2, 10. C equal to 5. See, 5 is between 4, 6. So all the properties checked. Therefore, LMVT, Lagrange mean value theorem, is verified. So what I did, first I verified whether these are continuous and differentiable in its domain or not, in the given domain or not. As because I said all the polynomials are continuous and differentiable in all the real values domain, so therefore these are continuous and differentiable, this function. Now I checked the ordinate values are x equal to A and B. Then I differentiate the function and put x equal to C. C is any value between A comma B. Then I found out C equal to 5. Therefore, as because 5 is lying between 4, 6, so Lagrange mean value theorem is verified. So these are the graphs of Rolle's and Lagrange mean value theorem. If you focus on the graphs, you will very easily understand what is the scenario. Alright.